Hello viewers, again welcome. Today I'm going to show you very impressive ideas of felt XMAX designs for every crafters who wants to make something in this season. In upcoming festival season is this holiday season. So now we gives you our best advices, tips and many more ideas in this video. So stay tuned with us and don't forget to subscribe if you like this video. We try to bring for our viewers and subscribers best ideas and best designs, like creative ideas, something creative, something artistic for artisans. So viewers, these videos are really gonna impressive for you and very amazing ideas for you. Stay blessed. Thank you for watching. In this video, many more designs you have to watch in this video. So most popular design is XMAX tree, ornaments and many more, and we'll give you tips and ideas. So what do you think about that? These videos are useful for you and my tips is useful for you, so stay tuned with us, listen my voice and listen my tips for advices. So what do you think? What do you feel about this season, this holiday season? Will you make something different? Will you make a set in this season? So this season is not only happiness, togetherness, it is making a set and decoration ideas that you can proudly hang in your home, gift to a friend, or even use as part of your holiday table setup. So grab your coffee and grab your supplies, get cozy, maybe even play some XMAX music in the background, and let's get crafting together. First step, gather materials. Okay, for this craft you will need a small wreath base or a circular cardboard cutout, and you can make whatever you want to make, some stairs, house, some red and green ribbons, a few pine cones or artificial berries, hot glue or craft glue, scissors, and of course any extra sparkle you had, like glitter, ornaments or even small bells. Don't worry if you don't have the exact same items, feel free to swap things around. That's the fun of crafting, it's all about making it your own. So hope you like the designs, and this video gives you the best idea. First, take your wreath base or cardboard ring. If you are using cardboard, you can cut out a circle about 8 to 10 inches wide. Then cut out the middle to create a donut shape. This will be the foundation for your decoration. Once you have your base ready, wrap it with ribbon. Use green ribbon for a classic holiday look. But you can also mix in red or gold. Secure the end with glue so the ribbon stays in place. Slowly wrap all the way around until your rings looks nice and festive. Now let's add some texture. Take your prince pine cone, berries or even small pieces of artificial greenery. Apply a bit of hot glue and gently press them onto the wreath. Try placing them in clusters of 3 for a balanced, pleasing look. You don't need to cover the whole base. Sometimes leaving ribbon showing adds a nice contrast. At this point, step back for a moment and look at your design, rotate it and imagine how it will hang. Adjust if needed so everything feels balanced. You can add some extra thing, whatever you have, some beads, glitter, ornaments, whatever you have, adding sparkle and personality. This is the fun part. Take your glitter mini ornaments on tiny bells and add them in. Place them near your pine cones or ribbon folds so they stand out. If you would like, you can make a big bow with red ribbon and glue it to the bottom or top of your wreath. This instantly gives a classic Christmas feel. Remember, there's no right or wrong here. If you love it, it's perfect. Finally, cut a small piece of ribbon and loop it at the top of your wreath. To use as a hanger, make sure it's secure with glue. Hold up your creation with it a shake to ensure nothing is loose, and admire your work. You just made a X-Mix craft decoration that's personal, festive, and completely unique. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this little craft project brings some holiday cheer into your home. Whether you hang it on your front door above your fireplace or gift it to someone special, remember, it's not just about the decoration, it's about the love and joy you put into making it. In this video, we show you many types of these designs and you can make different types of craft. My work is you can get beautiful ideas from this video and you can make different types of craft, and you can grow your business as well. So post it on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook and monetize through ads, sponsorship, or affiliate links. Linking to craft supplies on Amazon. Seasonal content, Xmas, Eid, Easter performs very well and attract new followers every year. Use the tutorial as your product showcase. Make multiple wreath or crafts and sell them on Etsy, Daraz, Facebook, Marketplace, WhatsApp groups, local gift shop, or stall in markets.